Hey friends, if you wish to know what Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable is and why you need so many, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the information. See, here's the thing. A lot of applications and even a lot of system-based applications use C++ files developed in Microsoft Visual C++. Now, there is a section of these files called DLL files that are very essential to the computer. When any one of them is missing, the application or the system feature will cease to work. And in that case, the best solution will be to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. To do this, search for it in the browser search bar and hit enter. Go to the latest supported Visual C++ downloads, scroll down and then go to the x64 version. Click on open corresponding to it. Click on repair or install whatever option you get. This will reinstall all the DLL files and fix a lot of issues. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.